barrels of fun. Are you interested in a simply fantastic car? Then take a look at this fabulous Versa. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road, curtain airbags, passenger airbag. Oh, and did you notice that it's generously equipped with air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 122 horsepower. Thank you for choosing Iowa's #1 Ford dealer. Most vehicles qualify for our exclusive Gave Us Advantage, which includes oil changes for life and engines for life. Ask a salesperson for details. We are locally owned and have been serving as a Ford dealer for over 50 years. For more information on our vehicles, or to schedule a test drive, call 1-800-934-2287. We look forward to helping you with all your automotive needs.